So what's up with this? It's shining on my truck, but no sun in the sky. Nothing in the sky. No, but yet it's shining on my truck like a light. Like a light bulb. Look at it. Come on, close that. Let me go over here. I can't see it in the sky. No. Look. Look, nothing in the sky. No. But why is it shining on my truck? See it? It was really bright. I see a chemtrail looking thing over there, but I don't see anything else. I expected to see a UV object, but I don't. I'd have to use the camera because we can't see it with our eyes. I don't see anything. It's kind of scary. Look. Look, you can see it. Shining on my truck. At a certain angle, okay? There it is. A certain angle. So down there, but I cannot see it in the sky. No. Interesting. Where is it? I see it's up here somewhere. UV? A UV object? Okay, so is it way over here? Let's look. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see a UV object. I don't see an IR object. What? Oh, look over here. There it is. Okay, I can see that. I can't see that. But I don't know if that's what... It can't be what was shining on my truck. Look, the tree would be in the way. No. Look. Let me see. Okay, so you kind of see it there. It was shining on the front of my truck here. Like it was over here. Like it was up here. What did it do? Fly over there? I don't think so. I don't see anything. The sun, that's due west. There. Alright, what's up there? See, I don't see that. I don't see that with my eye. Right there, I don't. Is that a creature? Is it a UV creature? Bah! Right over our chicken coop. Right over the chicken coop. Get out of there. Get out of that tree, motherfucker. I'll get my laser. Is that it? Huh? Right over the chicken coop. Maybe. Maybe it's a UV creature. I sure don't see nothing else. Right there in the tree. I cannot see that with my eye. See, it's kind of hazy right in the middle of the tree. I'm gonna go get my laser. See if we can chase it out. So right over the chicken coop. I'm not surprised. Okay, I'm gonna go get the laser.